Today in this video we have covered Singer 6000 Series Embroidery Machine overview. The Singer 6000 Series Embroidery Machine combines professional-grade features with user-friendly design, making it ideal for beginners and seasoned embroiderers. With its expansive embroidery area, robust stitching capabilities, and design customization options, it suits a wide variety of projects, from home decor to fashion embroidery. Key features and descriptions. Number 1. Large embroidery area. The Singer 6000 series offers a spacious embroidery area, providing ample room for large projects like jackets, tablecloths, and quilts. This feature reduces the need for frequent rehooping, making it efficient for more expansive designs. Number 2. 200 built-in embroidery designs and fonts. With 200 built-in embroidery designs and multiple fonts, users have a wide range of creative choices for customizing projects. The machine covers various styles including florals, geometric patterns, and seasonal designs, perfect for personalized items. Number 3. Easy USB design import. The USB connectivity allows users to import custom designs easily, expanding creative options and enabling the use of personalized or downloaded patterns for unique projects. Number 4. Automatic needle threader and drop-in bobbin system. Designed for ease, the automatic needle threader and drop-in bobbin system makes setup straightforward, perfect for beginners looking for a seamless experience without complex setup steps. Number 5. High stitching speed with adjustable controls. The machine operates at a high stitching speed, completing projects efficiently. With adjustable speed controls, users can fine-tune the machine to handle detailed designs or faster production tasks. Number 6. LCD touchscreen for easy navigation. The intuitive LCD touchscreen enables easy design selection, stitch customization, and adjustments, making it simple to personalize each project directly from the machine. Pricing. The Singer 6000 Series Embroidery Machine typically ranges from $900 to $1,200, providing professional-level features at a reasonable price. Its functionality and ease make it a solid investment for embroidery hobbyists and small business owners alike. If you want custom professional quality embroidery designs, Digitizing.com is the place to go. They provide embroidery, digitizing, and vector art services, allowing you to turn any logo or design idea into an embroidery file that stitches out beautifully on machines. Whether you need logo digitizing, 3D puff digitizing, or detailed custom designs, they offer fast turnaround and high-quality service. Digitizing.com makes it easy for you to create unique, high-quality embroidery for personal projects or small business orders.